Hello, I would just like a minute of your time today to talk about your children's future and their success, which is your future and success. In today's world, practical knowledge and education is just as important, but it is not really affordable these days. So, for only £100 a month, I am offering a comprehensive life building skill set education for your kids or the young adults in your home. Now, in those 8 months, all the things that are included are, for example, software, computer systems, softwares and installations, how to install, what is a computer system, the internet and coding, how the internet works, for example, routers, hubs, switches, then a little bit about coding, how is coding, what is coding, how it's done. On top of that, they also learn electronics, so how to build and how to see basic electronics, what those things are, and how to understand basic electronics or a piece, even to look at it. Then electrical is also included in that. What are switches, wires, connections, switchboards? So they learn a lot of things within this short period of time at a very reasonable amount. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Thank you.